This is a demo video by Abron for the desiccator, which is about 200 mm. We have got 150 mm, 160 mm, 210 mm, and 250, 300 and 400 mm also. Then this will come, just cut the tape, and on this you will see one porcelain plate. Above that there is one lid here, which is just upside down, and then keep it all like this. There is one packing, and then comes the desiccator. Let me show you the working of the desiccator, how to assemble and fit it. Just put the desiccator plate here. Whatever is the desiccator, the silica gel or anything which is almost dry, after keeping it in the oven, keep it here. It may be packed, it may be loose, keep it inside below this sheet. You can use desiccator without, and this there is a this lid and as well as the bottom part, both are grounded, so you have to put them silicone grease or some kind of a grease, and then put the sample which is to be dry. Let us say I want to put this sample, I want to dry. Below is the silica, and then just close it slowly like this and keep it. Automatically the moisture will be absorbed by the silica gel which is at the bottom, and then if you have to open it, just slide it and then open it. Once the silicone grease is put, then it is difficult to lift it like this, so you must slide it and open it. Open like this, and if you have to close, slide it. Thank you very much. Please visit the website and Abron, and we have got the different products. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Abron01@gmail.com or WhatsApp us the email, and you can send the message. Thank you very much.